Right, so I've got my decorated journal, which I've done previously using Powertex, and I'm now going to do a dry brushing technique. I've already done one layer of dry brushing, so I've used the bronze background colour, which is the bronze Powertex. I've used like a sort of a aqua green sort of colour, just as a dry brush finish. So I'm going to proceed doing some more lighter colour blues. I've got like a Veridian Green, a primary blue, a Cerulean Blue, and a pale green, which is like turquoisey colour. So I'm going to literally take my dry brush. I prefer to use bristle brushes because they tend to give a better dry brush finish. And I'm just going to mix the first colour. I'm going to use like a bluey greeny colour. And I'm just going to wipe the excess off onto some tissue. And I'm going to very lightly brush over the texture. So this time I'm going to use a metallic silver colour. What's this? I'm just going to put a little bit of it in the corner here. It's dried quite quickly. Using a clean dry brush. Right, and that's finished.